Friends, here is one more problem based on the same direction, and we have to find the missing part of this figure. The thing is, you can complete the figure on the question paper itself with the help of pencil, and then try to compare that with the given alternatives. Whichever it matches, that will be the right option. First, I will complete this square box here. Next, I have got a circle, so try to complete this circle. Okay, this is how I completed the circle. Next, I got one more square box, this one. This has to be completed. Okay, this is the square box. Next, these lines. Okay, these lines. You have to draw these lines so that it should reach to this point, and this line has to reach this point, and one more line, this line you have to complete. Okay, now it is completed. Now just compare this figure with the given 4 alternatives. Whichever it matches, that will be the right option. If you see the first option is, yes, first option itself is matching with the drawn figure. That's it. The first option is the right option. There is no need to cross verify other options. Once you got the correct option, just take that and move to next question. The same thing I am going to do here. I will also move to next question.